Going viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels isn't just about luck. It's about creating content that grabs attention fast. The problem is making those kinds of videos usually takes hours of editing and design. But with ShortBeast AI templates, the process becomes simple. The templates are already built to be eye-catching and engaging. You just pick one, drop in your topic or idea, and the AI fills in the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and the captions. Since the layouts are proven to work, your videos look professional and polished every single time. This gives you a higher chance of going viral because the design and pacing are already optimized for short form platforms. Instead of worrying about editing, you can focus on testing more ideas and posting consistently. And the more you post, the better your odds of hitting the viral moment. If you want to start creating shorts that can go viral without spending hours editing, sign up through my link in the description and try ShortBeast AI now.